So guys, on this video today, I'm going to show you how you can make $1 to $10 by just completing a very simple task online. So what you are going to be doing on this video today is that you are going to be completing surveys, you get paid, watching videos, you get paid, shopping online, you get paid, searching on the web, you get paid. So how does this website work? Let me show you the website. This is the website which is called InstaGC. InstaGC is a platform that is ready to pay people like you and me to complete daily activities like watching videos, shopping online, all these old things we do. We can get paid from this particular website. So I'm going to show you now how to register. What is required for you to have your account on this website? They said they need you to have paper verified. You need to have a paper account that is verified, and that is only what you need. So I think maybe they have changed, but you can check it out yourself. Let me know what to think, if they have changed or not, in the comment section. Let me show you now how you can register on this website. You can register on this website with your Facebook account, your Twitter account, or your Google account, or you can register manually. Enter your username, your password, or enter your password, your email account, and click on sign up and get 10 free points. So you need to use my link in the description to join this website if you want. Click on that link and create your own account. If you want, it's not compulsory, because if you use my link, you are going to be getting update from me, and you are going to be making and accumulating some free cash. Because if you use my code, we are going to be making money from each other. It's a referral, which means you are making money every time I make money, and I make money anytime you make money. That is how it works, guys. Let us assume now that you have created your own account. Your account will be created and verified. Let me log in into my own account and show you around InstaGC. So as you can see, guys, I have just logged into my own account. The first thing you will see here is this website that you can start using to take surveys and watching videos, do a lot of things, and you get paid in return. You can see this website which is called Insta. And when I click on InstaGC page, they are going to show you multiple websites that you can use to take surveys, and you are going to get paid. Let us say each surveys you take, they are going to pay you 80 cents, which is 80 points, which will be converted to 80 cents. 1 point is 1 cent. 100 points is $1. So if I click on, let me say this one now, it's going to take me entirely to another page where they are going to ask me a few questions, and all I just need to do is to answer the question. Once you answer this question correctly, you are going to make that point, which is 80 points. Once you complete the task, you are going to get paid. So let us go back to InstaGC. I will close this because I don't want to complete this task. So we are going to go back again now to InstaGC. And here you can see add get reward. Other of all these websites, they work in the same way. They have different ways that you can use them to make money. Let us say we want to watch videos. You can go to Hideout TV. If I click on Hideout TV, it's going to open up Hideout TV page here, telling us that each video we watch, we are going to accumulate some free points for each video we watch. So you can see, all you just need to do, click on any of those videos, go and watch them, and you are going to earn points by doing that. So that is how it works, guys. And what is good is that you can make money with this website without you even investing your hard-earned money, but you earn money in return by spending your own time. Let us say, for example, we want to complete task. If I click on task here, it's going to show us website that we can use to complete task, which is by taking surveys. And how you can use them to shop online is when you have to install their Chrome extension on your Chrome browser. Anytime you are shopping, it will dictate and tell you if they have any collaboration with that particular website that you are shopping from. And in return, if you shop from that website, they are going to track your transaction details, and in return, they are going to pay you money for shopping from that particular brand, if only they track that particular website that you are shopping from. So another way you can use to make money from this website is the referral program. If I click on this section where it says promote, I will click on referral link. So once I click on referral link here, it's going to show us our referral link. If we copy this our referral link and share it with anybody, we are going to be making lifetime earning from them. As long as they are using this website, InstaGC, we are going to be making money. So that is how it works, guys. Just refer people and earn money in return. 10% earning from any amount your friend or anyone that you refer earn. So that is everything I want to talk about on the process of how you can use this website to make money. So you already know everything now. To redeem your points, you just need to click on this option where it said redeem. You will find gift cards, other reward, which is in dollars. If you want to donate your points, if you want to use it to boost a particular thing, you can click on boost here. And it just depends on what you want to use your point to do. For me, I usually redeem my money as cash. If I click on other reward here, you will see the transaction I have done, $1, $1, $1, $1. So it's not a lot of money. Like I told you from the beginning, this is not a get rich quick system. It's a system that allows you to accumulate some free cash online. So that is what I want you to know. You can see that you can cash the money into your Bitcoin account or into your paper account. Let us say you have a Coinbase. If you don't have a Coinbase, you can use my link in the description to create your Coinbase account if you want. So if I click on paper here, on Coinbase, you will be able to redeem this money. If I click on now Bitcoin, it's going to take us directly here. You will enter your Bitcoin address and you will click on redeem, and the money will be sent into your Bitcoin address. Let us go back. If we go back again here, if I want to redeem with paper, I just need to click on paper here. Make sure that you have connected your paper account into your InstaGC account. And all I just need to do, you can see I will redeem $1 and I just need to enter the amount of point I want to redeem here. And once I click on redeem, I will enter my PIN code and the money will be sent into my paper account. That is how you can use this website, InstaGC, to make money online. So now that you know everything, guys, I will say you should like, share this video. Let me know what you think. I want your honest opinion. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I want to know. Honestly, I really want to know, guys. Like this video, share it with your friend. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm insisting. Comment, guys, comment. And this website is not available in all countries. So I do a research and I see that this website is not available in all countries. There's some country that this website have been, they retreat some countries. Not even that those countries retreated them, but they are the one that retreat themselves from some countries. So if it's not available in your own country, you can check out some of my other videos where I talk about how you can use this same strategy to make money online. So that is everything I need to talk about on this video, guys. And leave me a comment in the comment section again. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platform. And what I want you to do, if you want to make money with affiliate, you can watch this first video that will pop up right now. If you want to make money by taking survey, just like you have watched other method, you can watch the second video. I will say thank you very much, guys. See you on my next upcoming video.